Hello and welcome to our channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell button to get notification about new videos.
Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. What I am going to show you, that is how to increase the capacity of your pen drive. But it's not like a 4 GB pen drive will become 8 GB or a 8 GB pen drive will become a 16 GB pen drive. It's not possible. Pen drive size is fixed because it's totally chipset based. But today what we are going to show you, how you can make sure that you are using the most capacity of a pen drive. So there are many kinds of file systems such as FAT, that is FAT, we call it FAT32, and NTFS. One of the main advantages of NTFS file system that it has a compression option. If you copy a file with the size of 50 MB in a drive with a compression enabled NTFS file system, it may take only 30 MB. The file system of pen drives is usually FAT. If you don't have a NTFS option on your pen drives, provide software, then do the followings. Most of the pen drive are formatted in FAT or FAT32 file system. So this is our pen drive, and if we go to properties, we can see that the type is USB drive and file system is FAT32. We have to format it in NTFS file system, and this is that NTFS file system. You can start formatting it. Sometimes it's not that much easy to find the NTFS formatting file system. If you can't find format NTFS option, then you have to do the following. First, step 1, go to start and type run, and then here you write cmd and then enter OK. So here it comes the command prompt. So we have to write convert, then the drive letter, which is a pen drive letter, like here it is D, and then like :/fs stand for file system, then NTFS, and hit the enter button. Here you see the system is actually formatting the drive in the NTFS file system. So it's done so far. Let us check if it is converted to NTFS or not. Right button, properties, and you see this is NTFS. Congratulations. To select compressed drive to save disk space, you have to do as follows: properties, and check here compress this drive to save disk space, apply to D only, or D and subfolder files, everything. So OK, and then OK, done, recheck, done. So this is how you are fully utilizing it. So thank you very much for staying with us. Subscribe,